When managing your website's content, you'll realize it's important to maintain your site's media files and documents. On our standard sites, there's a convenient module that lets you easily replace media files, even ones with the same name. This module is also useful for making sure your outdated files don't appear in Google searches. This module overwrites the current file, keeping the same file name and path, something you'd normally want to do when performing a file replacement. This video will show you how to use the Media File Replace module. Let's start by hovering over Content and clicking Media. Let's take a quick look at the file we want to update. The file just says, "This is the old file." To start, click Edit on the Media file under the Media tab to access the File Replace module. Next, make sure to check the Overwrite Original File box. In most cases, when you replace a file, you want to check the box and it'll likely already be checked by default. The next file will replace the old one, but its name will always stay the same. Let's check the file to make sure we properly replace the file. Looks good. Replace the file with our new one that says, "This is our new file." Sometimes, if you don't check the overwrite box, the new file will add an underscore number sign to the end of the original file name, and both the old and new files might be on the site. In other words, the module will use the name of the replacement file name and may delete the original file if no previous revision references of it exist, depending on your site's configuration. Let's walk through this really quick. We'll follow the same steps of going to Media under the Content tab and going to edit our test file. We'll upload the replacement file, but this time we'll uncheck the Overwrite Original File box. In this case, the file updates and keeps its original name in the Media tab, but if we go to the Files tab, we see both the old and new files still saved on the directory. Thanks for watching this video. You can check out our other Drupal resources in our channel's playlist.